Start.
Your number is 25046. Correct na?
Yes.
Group name
Ignite.
Ignite. Start. Buddy.
Good afternoon.
You have to, okay, 7 minutes, after 7 minutes one bell will ring, then the warning bell, 8 minute presentation, after 8 minutes, double bell will ring, then you have to end the presentation. Afterwards 2 hours, you have to do question and answer.
Good afternoon all. We are the team Ignite. As per our team name, we are here to ignite our innovative solution on ignored but very important problem in our day-to-day educational life, which is under the theme of clean and green energy under entitled with smart waste segregation and recycling system. Our project is focuses on cleaner and healthier environment in classroom while collecting the chalk dust in real time and preventing the air pollution with recycling the chalk dust in industrial purposes. Next.
Next slide. So, our project addresses the issue of chalk dust in classroom, which will possess the some health risk like breathing problems, cough, likewise for teachers and students. So for that we have developed this device which will automatically collect whatever the dust is going to be spread in the classroom. That dust we are going to collect through suction using 2 DC fans, and whatever the dust is collected, that dust we are going to collect here exactly below the cyclone separator. We have attached one beam. In that beam, all over the dust is going to collect, and additionally whatever the dust is collected, that dust we are going to reuse in various industries like paper industries, paints and coatings. So next I will proceed.
So in technical approach, in this project we are using a ESP32 as a main microcontroller, and the sensor is 2 wire sensors which detects objects, and one is a cyclone separator which works on a centrifugal force which divides the pressure of air, and dust gets separated by using cyclone separator. And for on of the 12 volt DC motor DC exhaust fans, we are using electron switch which is called as a relay, and for 12 volt DC is having RPM up to 600 to 3000 rotations per minutes.
The device is small and it can be easily fit under the blackboard, and it uses energy efficient DC fans which requires less electricity. There is no use of heavy motors and noisy components, so the operation is quiet and it requires monthly maintenance. Next. So talking about impact and benefit, firstly is health benefit. So as you know that teachers are the pillars of the education system, and they produce the students for our future generation. So their health is important for our nation. So while many of the schools still use chalk and board system, and due to the normal chalk, the dust flowers are in the air when writing, and that dust is inhaled by student and teachers as well. And the 40% of dust is inhalable and respirable. So that will cause health issues like breathing problems, asthma and bronchitis and many other respiratory issues. So it will solve that issue as well. So second is environmental and economical benefit. So in under environmental benefit, when we collect the dust, the classroom will be tidier and more focus should be on the education, and due to less exposure to dust and less And next is social benefit. So with the tidier and cleanlier class, so, students will be more healthier and will be focused on education, and teachers will be also healthier.
Next, research and reference. In the research, we studied how the ESP32 technologies keep classroom clean and a healthy environment for students and teachers also. In the reference also, we research paper how calcium carbonate in reused industries like paper and paint and coating also.
Four. Okay, so whatever this board you are using, smart board, can be a good replacement for this project, for your idea?
Yes, we can, but
What?
every institution can't afford this smart boards.
What will be economy in that case? What is your project cost and smart board?
So ideally for making just a prototype, it requires 4 to 5,000, and when we will make it in bulk, then that cost will be around 3 to 4,000.
3 to 4
3
thousand.
to 4,000.
Suppose if I want to implement in our campus
Yes.
with your existing system,
Yes.
so what will be the final cost?
4 to 5,000. That should.
It's not feasible.
In that case, smart board is having more features than we were. We were storing only one feature, and our smart boards are storing more features.
That's why it is designed to institutions those can't afford the smart boards.
No, what is the exact rate you are deciding? Like you are talking about 4 to 5,000. Even if I want to go to purchase a blackboard itself, what is its cost?
That you have to add two costs, na?
Blackboard plus your system, you need to add to that cost also.
And that cost is coming nearer to our smart board cost.
Not the cost of smart board is too much.
How much it is?
Just to one.
Do you have any analysis that due to desktop clock, people are getting ill?
Yes, sir. There is a reference paper in
They are not shown in your idea. You tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the.
In that research paper, some scientists have researched. They have created two groups, Group A and Group B. In Group A, 40 teachers have taken those who are regularly in contact with dust. In Group B, there are some people, those are not in being contact with dust, and they have done some research that in 1 week, whatever the teachers are being in contact with dust, they are getting issues like in breathing and cough like this. In that research paper is mentioned.
Okay, for collection of dust, what technology you are using?
For collection of dust, we are going to use cyclone separator, which will separate the dust and the air. And whatever the dust is collected, that will automatically stored in the one bin, which will be attached exactly below the cyclone separator.
This is your model.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this you are going to fix with your board.
Yes, and these are the two IR sensors. Whenever the teacher will write or erase something, so at that time that dust will spread in the classroom. So for that, these two iron sensors will detect whether teacher is writing or erasing, and once motion is detected, these DC exhaust fans will get turned on, and there are some pipes are get attached to this, and to this pipe we are going to attach that cyclone separator. We have ordered this within 2 to 3 days. We will get that.
Oh. So thing is that like whenever if I am a teacher, I am just rubbing the board.
Yes, sir.
Right. So if I rub the board this way,
Yes, sir.
then dust may go this side and this side also.
Yes, sir. See, it's just a prototype for final product. We are going to make it extendable. So the size of each and every board is not fixed. So that our product will be extendable. So we can adjust the size of that our device according to the size of board.
And nowadays in the market, we are having different blackboards also.
Yes, sir.
We can use dust like chalks also there.
So then also in that research paper it is also mentioned that then also some dust particles get spread in the class. Even chalk dust, dust like chalk, dustless chalk was there.
Patent is granted or
Granted, sir. And we are going to file the utility patent within 2 months.
He will guide. Who will guide?
Move on.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
But in this case, little bit you have to start with presentation on board. So to come with one board, that you are